guys, Yumi here. Today I'll be showing you how to replace your intermediate steering shaft on your 2007 to 2012 Nissan Versa. The part number for the part we're replacing is 4808090C0A. So the first thing you want to do is raise your car and take off your wheels. This step is not required because the intermediate steering shaft is just mostly inside the car and not through the firewall. But I'm doing it just in case if there's too much weight or pressure on the steering. The next step is to tape your steering wheel so it does not go out of alignment while you're doing the job. The next thing you want to do is take off the plastic panel right behind your brake pedal, and there's two plastic fasteners that you move with the flathead screwdriver. We mark our references so we get it aligned right. For the top part, I marked it right here. It's kind of hard to see, it's silver paint, and then on the car, see, I painted it in that small gap. Oh, focus. And then on the part as well. And then for the bottom, I didn't paint it on this part, but like where this section is by the bolt hole, I matched it up on the part over there. I don't know if you see it. It's right there. So then we can all line it up. Once you've marked all your spots, there's two 12mm bolts. There's one on the bottom here. And then the top one is located right here, right there. You might want to have someone hold the steering wheel so it doesn't move while you're working on the bottom one. This longer bolt here is from the bottom, and then the shorter one is from the top. And then you just pull on it, pull down on it, it should release. And then on the bottom you pull up. Now put the new one in. There we go. And then put in your bolts here. If I can find where it goes. And then tighten the rest with a wrench. And then the torque specs for this is 26 foot-pounds for the top bolt, and then 22 foot-pounds for the bottom bolt. So after installing, I had this issue of the steering wheel lock didn't work. So to fix it, basically turn the key or ignition on and then off, and then you quickly turn clockwise a quarter turn and it'll lock. It'll probably give you a click. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. As for the reason why I replaced the part was because I was experiencing knocking in the steering wheel, and I had like the whole front suspension replaced, and then I still had the knocking, so it ended up being the intermediate steering shaft that was causing the knocking issue. And ever since I replaced it, It's all gone now, so thanks.